Hi, here is a quick demonstration of how to use AI and smart technology to help attract customers, gain credibility, and a dialogue with them with a view to converting them from a potential customer into an actual paying customer. This demo, it assumes that you've already gained a certain level of trust with the client and that they have found your landing page and happy to fill out the details and provide their contact details. I have another video that covers the importance of trust with clients and how to establish it, and the link to that video should be in the description below. Okay, so I'll just get on and fill in all the fields of this form, and as you can see, I've already filled them out. I've got data that I'm collecting, project start date, the type of renovation, how much involvement, any features that I would like, the fittings, are they luxury, standard, budget. So there's a lot of data that can be collected, and this is fully customizable. It doesn't have to be this data, and it can be customized to suit your particular requirements. And indeed, it doesn't have to be for bathroom renovations. It can be adapted quite easily for other industries, or whether it be sort of roofing or kitchen renovations or even financial services. Okay, I'll just get rid of that. Carry on. I give it the property and postcode, the suburban postcode, and the approximate value, and that's used in the analysis. So that is important in this case. And then I provide name and contact details and ask for my personalised bathroom assessment. So I click that, and that will then go to the agent that I've created. It will then assess all of that data that was collected and give me an assessment of my project. As I said, there's other industries that this can be tailored for, other home improvements, professional services. It's quite a comprehensive agent. It's been trained specifically in this case for bathroom renovation, so it's got a good understanding of the problems faced in bathroom renovations and costs involved. So it will analyse all of that information. And this is really just the first step in establishing dialogue with potential customers. It helps gain their trust when you have an independent and unbiased view. It'll be more informative than just, for instance, giving them a stock standard bathroom renovation guide, because this particular one is analysing the data that they have put in and then providing answers or analysis of what they've put in. So if I just go to that Gmail address, the email address, and you can see here that there's a PDF with the personalised project analysis. There, the bathroom renovation project risk analysis for Nigella. Okay, there's just telling you what you're going to get with this, including things like the current market trends, the problems you might face, and some next steps for you. For your client. There's a sentiment score, and that's based on the AI agent, on its assessment of the validity of the data. It highlights any key risks. So in this case, it said the budget is underestimation given the project's luxury scope. So it's looked at all the data given, and then it provides answers. The estimated duration is 12 weeks. It does some validation on the data. So it's said that all the dates are valid, the suburb is valid. It would tell you if it's wrong. And it's also highlighting again that the requirements are ambiguous because the budget is 20 to 40K and the project estimate is 61K. So the agent has worked out that given everything that was provided, the budget should be closer to 61,000. Then there's an explanation of the executive summary, and then it gives you a little bit more details on the analysis. You can read this in your own time after this video because you'll be able to go through this in more detail. It goes through and tells you how it calculated a sentiment score. It gives you various information on features and designs that will give you a better or positive return on investment, and also those that give you a negative return on investment. It gives you a suburb analysis and the latest trends in bathroom renovations. And again, this will change from one year to the next potentially, and this is what the current trends are, what the current latest trends are. Then it gives you a list of the details that you supplied so that you can just check that, yes, indeed, that's what the information that you gave in. And then the next steps. And this is highlighting the risk of choosing the wrong renovation company and how it relates to you. And then at the bottom, there's a company overview. All of this can be tailored and modified and have your own logos, your own spin on it. It's all customizable and with a view to gaining trust with the potential buyer. And this would be the start of a series of conversations that you could have with that potential client. Some could be email-based, or they might, if they've given you their phone number, you could email them and suggest, or phone them, because they've given you their phone number. You could phone them and suggest some kind of catch-up meeting, however it is that you want to progress this client or potential client into a paying client. Okay, so hopefully that's been informative, and hopefully you can understand how this could be used for your business in a better way than, say, a stock standard checklist, which is fairly standard, a fixed checklist, or a renovation guide, which can be quite useful. But this is way more useful as it's personalised and particular to the client and the data that they put in. Okay, thanks for your time.